Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and today's video, I will teach you how to enable slide left gesture to start an app in your OPPO A5s even the screen is off. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you only have to do is go to setting in your OPPO A5s mobile phone. And okay guys, here in settings, okay, scroll down and find the smart and convenient. Okay, click this. And okay guys, here in smart and convenient, okay, go to gesture in motion. Okay, click this. And okay guys, here in gesture in motion, okay, you can see the screen of gesture on the top. And okay, you only have to do is click this. And okay guys, here you can see the screen of gesture switch button. Okay, you only have to do is enable the switch button. And okay, here you can see the more screen of gesture below. And okay, you'll have to do is click the screen of gesture to see the other gesture. Okay, and okay guys, here you can see the slide left gesture. And okay, you'll have to do is click this. And okay guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to enable the slide left gesture to start an app in your OPPO A5s. Okay, you'll have to do is click the start an app. Now, you can select the application you want to start if the slide left gesture is enabled. And okay guys, I choose one of my application. And okay guys, I choose Chrome in this tutorial. And okay guys, automatically save the application. And okay guys, we have successfully enabled the slide left gesture to start an app in your OPPO A5s mobile phone. And okay guys, we can try it. Okay, we have to turn off the screen. And okay guys, now we have to slide left on the screen. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully enabled the slide left gesture to start an app in your OPPO A5s even the screen is off. And okay guys, that's it. And if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.